So this will be part 10 of our complete application in Axon framework using the CQRS pattern, and today we are going to be building the UI. So the UI is what you see right here. We have the list of product and we have the list of orders as well. So when an order is placed, we have, for instance, if I click on create new order, yes, and I expect to see the order right here, you can see. Alright, so we are going to focus on working on the HTML page right now. So the first thing I would like us to do, let's go back to the application. So I'm going to stop it. Again, if you are joining me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not, if you missed out the previous lessons, please go back to start from the beginning because these lessons are connected. So for you to be able to follow, please go back to the beginning and start from the first one. So today, the first thing I would like us to do is to add the jQuery and bootstrap dependencies. So we need these two dependencies to be able to add the jQuery and bootstrap the script and the files need to be added to our application. So I've copied the two dependencies right here from my website. So I'm going to my pom.xml. This is pom.xml. I'm simply going to add these two dependencies right there. Okay, that is fine. Let's see. Did I? Yeah, perfect. I think it's okay. No, I think I added it in the wrong place. So let me just copy it and paste it in the right place. So I'm going to just cut it out from here. So it's gonna be right inside the dependencies / dependencies section. Make this code a bit more readable. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so once you've added it, that would be great. And the next thing I would like to do, I'll go to create a new HTML file. I'll create this file inside the template folder in the SRC main resources. Go to the templates folder and simply right click and create a new HTML file. And HTML5, that is fine. I'm going to call it index. Alright, so basically we have an empty HTML file at this point. So normally what I do is to go to Bootstrap and get some kind of template that I'll use for this application. So basically we have this template here, we have the header, this navbar, and also we have the nice fonts here, and we have a container as well that I'll still show you later on. So let's go to Bootstrap. Okay, so this is what we will use. I'll recommend we use maybe this one. Okay, maybe we use this one. We start a template, so I'm going to just click on it, and this is it. So I'm going to simply maybe view the source, and I'm going to simply copy the source maybe. So the only thing I need from here is the content of the body. So I'm going to simply go to first I have this body tag, so I'm going to copy everything from the body to the end of the body to the end of the body tag. So let's see, we have this main going up to this place. Okay. So just copy it and let's go head over to our HTML page. So HTML page, and just paste it right inside the body section. So I'm going to just paste it here. But for now we will not see anything because we have not added the links to the jQuery and Bootstrap assets. So that I'm going to show you how to do it. I think I have it. Okay, so let's come here and just add the links to. So let's add link first to the bootstrap.css. So I'm going to say link, and href is equal to. So this is how to specify it: webjazz, webjazz/bootstrap. So let me, instead of typing it out, let me just show you. Let's just continue. So if I go back to my website, I can see all the links are here. So I'm simply going to copy them and I'll paste it and then explain it. For now, we have all these files, all these files located in the webjazz directory in your application. So this is how to specify the location, the links and scripts to the CSS files and the scripts that was added using Spring dependency, and this is fine. And what I can also do is to take out the navbar, because these items located in the navbar. For instance, if you go to this place, you see that there is some things we don't really want, the search bar here and other things. So I'm going to just say, let's take out this UL /UL, just take it out completely. And at this point, I should have everything perfectly well. So let me also take out, or maybe I could leave it for now. And we have this search bar, it's a form. Let me also take it out, and hopefully everything should be fine. So instead of having navbar here, I can have it to be e-commerce demo app. All right. So just to test that everything is working, let's just go to create a new file. Let's create a controller file that is going to serve up this index page. So let me just go to the controllers folder and create src main java. So here in the controllers, I'm going to just create something. I'll just call it home controller. So I'm going to annotate this file with @controllers annotation, @controller annotation, and I want it to just return index page. So I'm saying @get mapping. So once one visits to /index, I want it to return the index page. So I'm going to say public string home. So the only thing we just want to return is index. So specify just like a string index. So there's no need of specifying .html, just specify index. Okay, so import the necessary class, and that is fine. Alright, so I'm going to run this application. I think it's running on port 8087. So let me just quickly make sure it's running in port 8087. Let me just collapse all these resources, static, and 8087. So I'm going to fire this application up, and let's see that we can visit the home page. So I'm going to just run it and let's see. So right now you can see that the application starts up. So let's go to visit localhost at port 8080. So let me just close everything first. So I'm gonna go to HTTP localhost at port 8087 and go to index so that we can see. Hopefully we get to the index page that we just created. So everything should be fine. So this is the index page which we created. So I'm going to stop for now. Let's continue in the next part. Let's now see how we can add the orders table and the products table in this page. I'd like to thank you for being there. I remain Kind on the Tech Pro, and also reminding you to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you need any support.